Good morning. This is Nickel Casino, Heavy Equipment Mechanic Technician. Today, we will perform how to assemble and make it furnace this 14M this 14M grader. Last time we troubleshoot and now it is good, so I will make another video. So we change a new valve. We change to two new modulator valve. We change to modulator valve. The function of modulator valve is to open the hydraulic system and make it to run the transmission, because the transmission is composed of clutch and pressure plate. So the use of modulator is to opening the clutch with the use of solenoid valve, which I have video last time. What is the uses of modulator valve? And also this modulating valve, we replace this one, have the spool inside, and this one is the solenoid valve. It needs 24 volts to energize. We have to energize this solenoid valve. It's composed with the winding. We must energize this one. So this is a spool will move from moving right or left side. So we replace the two modulator valve. So now it's good according to the company's manual. And now we are cleaning the things. We will assemble this machine, and I will make a video again for running this machine. So I have now my two trainees from Ghana, Mr. Daniel and Mr. Frank. These are my trainees, Mr. Frank, and I will teach them how to sorting, cleaning the machine, and how to check the machine. And now we are helping each other to complete to put this one. So now we will help each other to clean this accessory, and then we will put in this one. So now this is the machine is ready for installation of parts. Then I will make another video to make a test run for this machine from in the road. In the road we will make a test and for the operation. Thank you very much and good morning.